Welcome to Your Health Moment. I am Dr. Fitness, and this show is all about quick and easy lessons on how to improve your health and to feel better about yourself. I wanted to start this podcast with a little bit about me and what I do as Dr. Fitness. I've been helping people take control of their health and their wellness for over 25 years. During this time, I've learned a lot from the clients and clinic patients. I started as a personal trainer and I loved every minute of it. And I learned a lot from it. Every day there was a new and powerful lesson for me to learn. And I guess for me, the key was just being open to receive those lessons. From weight training with the visually impaired to preparing 70-year-old walkers to do a marathon for breast cancer. These challenges and others inspired me to embrace the need to continue to seek knowledge. And the whole purpose of Your Health Moment is to help you explore where you are on your health continuum and to encourage you to try things that will improve your health and happiness. I'm here to help you get results that are difficult to achieve on your own. Now, 7 years ago, I discovered the 5 pillars of fitness and how effective they were in helping people to reach their goals. And it was my aha moment. So I shared the program with several clients, and some of them were in the radio industry, and they suggested that I use radio to share this message on iHeart radio stations in urban areas to millions of listeners who were struggling with obesity and common ailments impacting their day-to-day lives. After achieving success in my wellness practice and on the radio, my goal is to continue to share the 5 pillars of focus with you and a broader audience. So now, when I look back over the last 20 years, I understand why some patients and some clients were successful and others weren't. I decided I could help more people achieve improved health and wellness by helping them focus on the 5 pillars of fitness, which I'll get into in just a moment. The level of success patients and clients have when they embrace the 5 pillars is phenomenal. It's the key to unlocking the door to mastering your health and wellness. The dramatic transformations continue to amaze me to this day. I'm seeing people reduce dangerous belly fat and reduce medications for diabetes and high blood pressure. Now, these are the 5 pillars of focus. Number 1 is hydration. Think about that. It has to do with making sure your body has enough liquid. And number 2, nutrition. Make sure that you have everything you need nutritionally to function properly. 3, exercise. Make sure that your muscles are strong, your heart can work properly, your joints are serving you well. Number 4 is stress. Too much stress, we get anxiety, our hormones misfire, and we have challenges from sustained hormonal imbalances. And then sleep. We really need to rest. That time that we're putting into sleep kind of ties everything together. So think of them as the 4 tires on your car. And, 5, so there's a spare in your trunk. And as you know, if you've ever been in a car with a flat tire, you know how awkward it can be. But so imagine your car with 4 flat tires. You'd realize you wouldn't be going anywhere, and most likely in some cases you'd probably be going backwards. So it'd be a really tough situation to be in. Now, just with 1 flat, you may go slow, but with a spare, you at least can still change the tire and start moving again forward. Just the time it takes you to change that spare, you can get back on the road. But the important thing is, all of these tires are essential to making sure that you get where you need to go and live your best healthy life. The 5 pillars of fitness focus have a huge impact on your ability to lose dangerous belly fat, reduce your risk of health challenges, and we're talking serious health challenges. Now, all right, I want to keep this intro short, but I hope you got a good glimpse into what this podcast is all about. I can't wait to get you started on your path towards health and wellness. And if you want to find more info on me, all you need to do is check out the links in the show notes. Our next episode is about one of the 5 pillars. It's hydration. More specifically, the dangers of dehydration. So if you haven't noticed that every time people go to the hospital, one of the first things they do is give IV hydration, and you've probably wondered why that is. If you're curious, come back to your health moment and find out.